Welcome back to Market Pros. Okay, so here we got Tron, ticker symbol TRX on Binance on the daily. Okay, so on the daily, I mean, this pretty much looks like your market cycle. I mean, you got your blow off top, your secondary test, come down, kind of have a little relief rally here, get everybody bullish again, and then just start cracking back down. Now, this is either redistribution or accumulation. We're going to find out. Right now your daily momentum is in the neutral zone on the RSI. Your MACD is riding the zero line. Fresh cross to the upside though on the zero line. Positive momentum's kind of deciding what it wants to do. So right now I'm neutral on the MACD, neutral on the RSI. Your BBWP is right in the middle, kind of just ranging right now. Kind of just got a range going, slightly up, slightly making higher lows, or now you made a lower high. You have been making lower highs, slightly higher lows. So it's neutral right now on the daily. On the daily. Let's go. Let's zoom in and see where we're at lower. Right now you're down 6.77%. Damn. All right. So for the last 12 hours, you've been getting cracked down. You were in the bullish control zone, done fell below the signal line, out of the bullish control zone, all the way down to the neutral median line. MACD looks like it's going to cross. Your positive momentum did decrease. I mean, you're almost all the way to the zero line on the histogram. BBWP is very high. So your volatility is, pretty much almost all the way to the top to where you print this dark red signal right here. Your moving averages are pretty flat. So it's either you're going to have major support here at 0.0655. I would at least expect a bounce there, possibly up to 0.0676. And if it is just a bounce, then I would expect this to come all the way back down towards these last lows and this point of control POC on the VPVR at 0.0629. Validation of the upside is easy. You get back above this last high. Let's put on a fib, see where we pulled back to. So you blasted through the 618. So I do think you're coming down to these moving averages at least. Possibly get a wick down to the 786. Maybe even come down to the 786 and get a wick down to the 100. So somewhere in here is where I'm going to be looking at for major support. Basically at the 0.0646 region. I would expect some kind of support here, but honestly, I think you could come. I'm going to go ahead and widen this box. This is where I think you would go. Major support there. I know it's a wide box, but I mean, you got multiple variables of support in here, so it's pretty probable that it would at least get a bounce in this region. And then if it falls below this last low, I mean, that's a whole different story. We'll come back to it. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So yeah, in your 1 hour, you've been getting cracked down. You did have a slight bounce off the 618. That's how you got this green candle wicked right down to it. Bounced off that 618. You are in the bearish control zone, way below the signal line right now. So your negative momentum is very high. Looks like it's coming down right now. Like I said, I think it could come down. And your 786 falls right where this 200 is. So honestly, I'm going to move this box down. I'm going to move this down somewhere in here. I would expect a bounce here. Probably back up to the 618 at 0.0665. But honestly, I think it would come back down to this 200. We got a lot of bearish momentum right now. Your MACD is crossing the zero line. Negative momentum is increasing. Your BBWP is printing a red signal, which means it's basically as high as it can go. I would expect some sort of relief rally, at least, once we get down to this purple zone. Possibly back up to the 0.5 at 0.0677 region. So yeah, I mean, those are my thoughts for Tron. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out our affiliate links in the description below. Check out our Discord. Link is also in the description below. And leave a like, comment on the video, all that jazz. And everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.